Zone with Trishy. Love from the very hungry caterpillar. You are. Can you find the very hungry caterpillar? Yes, there's the caterpillar. So sweet. The cherry on my cake. The apple of my eye. The bee's knees, so silly. You make the sun shine brighter, the stars sparkle, the birds sing, my heart flutter. That's why I love you. I love my daddy. I love my daddy so much, and let me tell you why. My daddy always makes me laugh anytime I cry. My daddy is like a superhero. He's so strong and tough. My daddy holds me up high when I'm not quite tall enough. He makes such funny faces, and my daddy is so silly. He always keeps me warm when the weather gets too chilly. My daddy loves to barbecue, and his food is so delicious. Mwah! And after we're done eating, I always help him clean up the dishes. My daddy loves to play with me. He makes the biggest block towers. Wow! We can sit and play all day. We can go for hours. My daddy is my best friend, and he always will be. I love my daddy so much, and my daddy loves me. The end.